The Violence Against Persons Prohibition Bill 2024 has embedded in its provisions for maximum protection and effective remedies for victims, as well as punishments for offenders.
The offense of rape needs particular attention. There is need to make a distinction between absence of consent and consent obtained by fraud, undue influence, and other unlawful means.
The punishment should be steep enough to deter commission of the offense.
It is the place of the Senate, the National Assembly, to protect the girl child and to protect minors in our society. We will take cognizance of cultural diversities, but we must protect our children.
It passed second reading and referred to Senate Committee on Justice, Human Rights and Legal Matters for further legislative action. Also passed at second reading is the Chartered Out-of-Home Media Practitioners Bill to further regulate advertising in Nigeria. Senate has adopted a motion urging the federal government to address food insecurity and market exploitation in Nigeria, as moved by Senator Sandy Karimi.
All effort made by the current federal executive to arrest the consistent increase in food inflation have not yielded the desired result. There need to be more pragmatic.
Currently, there are 4 countries, including Sudan and some others, that are facing very serious food insecurity. And Nigeria is added to this list this year.
Senate also advised the federal government to be considerate in implementing recommendations of the Oronsoye report, as winding down an agency could only be done through the repeal of the act by Parliament. The issue was raised by Senator Mohammed Onau.
The Oronsoye report, it's a committee report that should not override the act of Parliament.
Let the rule of law be followed to the latter. That while this repealing is going on, this streamlining is going on, that we should formally be notified.
Bring a bill to National Assembly, and then those agencies will be repealed through that bill, and then they stand repealed.
Other features at plenary include the confirmation of Matthew Adepoju as Director General of National Space Research and Development Agency. In the meantime, Deputy President of the Senate, Senator Barrow Jibrin, has expressed optimism that President Bola Tinubu will assent to the bill seeking to establish the Northwest Development Commission, recently passed by the National Assembly.